Tough love, guys. Welcome back. It's another Sunday morning of our Sunday cooking episode. So it's great to have you guys back. Today we are making a very small to nine, or say small to medium. Moderate. Just gonna do taro here. We're gonna use the oven today. Not feeling like going at the moment. Then we will have, I think I'll probably make chop suey, and then soup bones, sausages for the kids, and we'll see what's left. So hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. I actually got myself a new knife. It's nice. It's pretty cool. It's a very nice, made in Brazil. You guys can see that. So excited about that. I think I showed it in my last episode, cooking episode. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's content. But we got to get started. So catch you guys as we go along. So just finished doing the taro. We're doing the pig's food now. It's an added chore on Sunday mornings, but let's get it done. Alright, so we finished adding the oil, some coconuts, just waiting to get the pingu. Once that's done, after we finish getting the coconut cream, we'll grab the shavings, throw it in here, and then Lo's gonna take the food for the pigs, and after need to start cooking. Alright guys, so we've got our menu. Jump back on just so that I can show you guys. We've got watercress, pumpkin, huge pumpkin, sausage, chicken, and shin bones, similar to last Sunday. So very simple. We'll see what we can do, but I think I'm gonna opt to go for a soup, and then we'll roast these two with pumpkin soup. Yeah, everything's good. All right. So if you guys saw, I'm starting on the pig feed for later on in the evening, and the only reason I'm doing it now is because not only to allow time to cool, but so the pig feed yesterday was actually pretty good. I saw them, they were eating it, but not as much, but only because I only boiled it with water and just a bit of salt. So I think if we give it enough seasoning, just a bit of taste, stock or something, then they should be eating it well. So that's why I've started cutting up the taro tiapula, the fa, just so that we can add in all the wastes from today's food. For example, the soup. We're gonna, after the first boiling, because it's taking off the ice, we'll get that stock, throw it in here, and then we'll add scraps from the pumpkin, carrots, all of these stuff, and that'll hopefully give it a nice taste, so for the pigs to eat. So hope they enjoy it this time. So that's the first boiling that we will remove because that'll have all the ice and that smell, which is not good for the soup. And that's what I usually discard down the sink after the first boil. But great thing about it is that we'll use it for the pig feet. So that's going to go into the pig feet plus pumpkin skins and shavings I took off. So it's going to add so much flavor into the food, and hopefully the pigs will eat it. You know, coming to think about it, we enjoy food on Sundays, you know, like nice food. So why not make it a mutual thing where we and the pigs can enjoy food. Great food on Sunday. Alright guys, just finally got time to sit down. Man, what a morning. It's quite difficult when you're trying to cook not cook two things, but trying to cook food and then at the same time trying to manage the waste for the pigs. So it's a bit of a challenge right now, but gonna get used to it, you know. But that's one of the great things now that I realize is that I'm gonna be able to utilize a lot of the waste on Sundays. So things like you guys saw, the carrots, shavings, the carrot peels, the potato peels, pumpkin peels. I'm gonna use all of that. So I also had like chicken skin. So that was the chicken skin I removed from the chicken that's roasting, and that's boiling in that small frying pan I showed you guys, where I threw a bit of garlic for essence, a bit of flavor, and then we'll pour that all into the pot for which has the taro tiapula, the stems, you know. So it's going to be really good, and I feel really excited for this. Hopefully the pigs like it. I'll be damned if they don't. But yeah, soup is ready. Luau's almost ready. We've got the omu ready. Sausage for the kids. I've just put that up on. But I'm also going to use the stock from the sausage that's boiling. We're going to pour it into the pig feed as well, and then roast chicken's almost done. Roasted some pumpkin as well, so that'll be good. And then yeah, I'm gonna set aside the pig feed because then I'll boil it afterwards and then leave it to cool down for later on in the day. But yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed it. Almost at the finish line. Thank you for making it this far. Really appreciate it, guys. Also, I wanted to tell you guys that I know I've been slow on reading the comments, but just know, replying to the comments, but just know that I am reading them. I just haven't had the time to reply to the comments because obviously you guys seen how busy the schedule was. So with traveling and then posting at the same time, posting content, liaising with Uncle and my wife for the taro order, and then coming back, so I've got a lot good. But don't worry, I see your comments and we'll get to replying them soon, so don't worry guys. Alright guys, so if you made it this far, just want to say thank you again for supporting the channel, making it this far. We're about to show you the results, so hope you guys enjoy it. I know I did making it. So let's get to it. So starting on this side, we've got our soup, beef shin bones with carrots, watercress, pumpkins and potatoes, bit of noodles in there. Then we've got our roast pumpkin. Jeez, that looks good. We've got our roast chicken. We've got our sausages. Our luau. Too good. And our taro. So yeah guys, very simple menu. Very nice. Really looking to enjoy this once we finish. Just a nice simple Sunday, you know. But yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's content. I'm gonna quickly go get the pig feed onto the fire so that it has enough time to cook, and then we'll let it cool down until towards the evening when we'll feed the pigs, and then start tonight with the family, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, and we'll definitely catch you guys on our next episode. Until then, God bless, take care, stay safe.